In this video, I'll show you how to create a GIF from a video on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Now all you have to do is open the gallery and find the video that you'd like to create a GIF for. So let me just find one video. So let's say, for instance, this particular video. So all I have to do is at the top right corner, you should see the three dots icon up here. So tap on it and then select create GIF. Now from here, you can increase the duration of your GIF or you can reduce the duration. So you can choose the duration that you like by using these sliders, or you can choose the location to whereby that particular GIF begins. So choose the location or choose the point, start point and the end point. And also there are some additional settings. So you can choose the speed. So you can do ×1 or ×2 speed or times 0.05 speed. So choose the speed that you like, and then you can choose the direction for that particular GIF. So you can choose forward, which is set by default, or you can choose it to go backwards, or you can choose it to go back and forth. It would be like a loop type of thing. And then once you've customized everything to suit your needs, all you have to do is tap on save to save that particular GIF. Or if you want to share it, you can simply tap on the three dots and select share and share it to whatever social media platform you'd like to share it to. So tap on save. And now that particular GIF has been created. So let's find it. So you can just slide, and that's the new GIF that you have just created. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.